Hi guys, this is KVS. Let's talk about how we can enable the virtual threads in the Spring Boot application. So let's create a new application using the Spring Boot 3.2.0. So let's go with the start.spring.io. So here you can choose the project, either Gradle or Maven, and choose the JDK, Java, and choose the Spring Boot version. Now we can see the official version launched 3.2.0. Let's create some group. Let's go with the com.kvs and demos Spring Boot 3.2.0. This is my example. And let's go with the package also com.kvs and choose the packaging as a Java, jar, and Java version 21, because minimum support version is 19 from Spring Boot 3 version. Let's go with the 21 because we need to talk about the virtual thread support. Let's add some dependencies. I'm going to just add the web dependency and I click on generate. So I'm going to generate the application. So now the application is generated. Yes. So let's open this application. This is the demo Spring Boot, and let's import with the IntelliJ. I'm going to open this project. Go to the downloads, choose the project. Let's go with the new window. So now the Spring Boot 3.2.0 application is imported. We can cross-check the pom.xml, make sure everything is correct. We selected the Spring Boot 3.2.0 and we added the web dependency and JDK 21. Let's check our JDK version, what is selected in the project structure. So we have selected the JDK 21. So this is good. No need to make any other changes. In order to enable the virtual threads, so let's make this as a YML because IntelliJ by default it supports the YML, so that I can add the virtual thread support property. Even we can also do with the dot properties as well. It's not necessary to make it YML. So if you just type Spring virtual thread enabled, so by default it is false. We need, if you want to enable the virtual threads, just to make it is true. Now the application has virtual thread is enabled, and just to create a simple controller and a REST controller, and then let's have some get mapping virtual. I'm just creating hello endpoint. It doesn't have any functionality related to the virtual threads. Public string virtual. Let's start this application. Yeah, it's about to start the application. Let's wait for the application to start, and then we can just verify the endpoint is working. And we can see the virtual threads enabled or not. You can go to the JMS console and verify whether the virtual threads are creating or not. I don't see the application is started. I think it might be loading. Let's wait for a few more seconds, or else let's reopen this application. Yeah, I'm going to reopen it. Let's go to the main method and click on the run as a Spring Boot application. Yeah, we can see it is loading. Yeah, so it is about to start the application. All right. So now the application is started with the port 8080. Yeah, so the application is working and we also enable the virtual threads so we can check the, more in the JMS console. That's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.